If you want to bring PDF invoices into QuickBooks Desktop without retyping everything, this is the workflow I recommend. The idea is simple. We convert the PDF into an Excel file, then import it as real invoices into your company file. That gives you control, a review step, and an undo option if you need it. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop on your system and open the app. Now, open QuickBooks Desktop and load the company file where you want the invoices imported. Keep QuickBooks open in the background while you work in SaasAnt. From the File menu in the top left corner, select Connect to QuickBooks and wait for the connection to complete. Once connected, you're ready to work with your invoice data. Next, convert the PDF invoice into an Excel file. Open Tools and choose PDF to Excel using the cloud service. Select the PDF file from your computer, choose where the converted Excel file should be saved, and start the conversion. In a few moments, you will see a confirmation that the Excel file is ready. Once the Excel file is ready, open the SaasAnt Invoices template and move the converted data into that template so the column headers match. Now you can import it as real invoices into QuickBooks Desktop. In the Import screen, select Invoices as the transaction type and upload the Excel or CSV file you just converted. For faster setup, choose SaasAnt Default Mapping from the Saved Mapping options. Before sending the data to QuickBooks Desktop, review the field mapping. Confirm that essential details like invoice number, customer name, invoice date, and line items are mapped correctly. After reviewing the data, send the invoices to QuickBooks Desktop. SaasAnt will push the invoices directly into your company file. You will see the invoices listed in the SaasAnt dashboard. From here, you can download the imported invoices for reference or use the Undo option if you need to roll back the import. To confirm everything is accurate, switch back to QuickBooks Desktop and open the invoice to verify the details. That is how you convert PDF invoices to Excel and import them into QuickBooks Desktop smoothly, without manual data entry and with a clean way to review and undo if needed.